Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to delete location history on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete location history on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the option where it says your timeline. Just below your profile, tap on your timeline and you'll land on this kind of interface. So let's let it load. And after landing on this interface, guys, if you have not enabled certain settings, enable it. And when you land on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-dotted icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and tap on the location and privacy settings option over here just below about timeline. Tap on location and privacy, and on this interface, if you scroll down, you can see here it says delete all location history option over here. Just below location history is on setting. Tap on delete all location history, and you can see here it says this information will be deleted from your Google account. Tap on the I understand and want to delete box over here, and then tap on the delete button over here, and then your location history on your Google Maps will be deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete location history on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.